And you were just out here fishing.
Well, barramundi's a bloody big fish.
Never smile at a crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with a crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you'd fit within his skin. Never smile at a crocodile. Never tip your hat and stop to talk a while. Never run, walk away. Say good night, not good day. Clear the aisle and never smile at Mr. Crocodile. You may very well be well-bred, lots of etiquette in your head, but there's always some special case, time or place to forget etiquette. For instance, if you meet a sad crocodile who looks sad and lonely and mild, he's just hungry, that you can bet. It's the time to forget etiquette. Careful, never smile at a crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with a crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you'd fit within his skin. Never smile at a crocodile. Never tip your hat and stop to talk a while. Don't be rude, never mock. Throw a kiss, not a rock. Clear the aisle and never smile at Mr. Crocodile.